Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this tracking template in Google Ads and where we have to use and how exactly we can use this tracking template. Let us see now. You have option called campaign URL and ad group URL, right? Ad URL.
Dynamic ads.
Yes. So dynamic ad doesn't comes under this. I tell you what is this dynamic ads.
Okay.
Okay, now what is this tracking template means? Now let's say a person clicked on my ad. Okay. So what is the URL they are facing? Like they can see my final URL and they can see something like all the things they can see in my URL. So what is the use of this tracking template? This tracking template you can set up in three levels. You can set up in account level, you can set up in campaign level and ad group level as well. Okay, so what exactly this tracking template is, what exactly you want to track from that campaign or from that account and from that ad group. Let us say now Sophia clicked on my ad. I want to track, like, so can you see the URL like this? So leave
Yes.
this, so you don't understand the big URL like this. Now what I am trying to say is landing page URL. Here it is LPURL. Can you see this? This is called landing page URL. First it displays my landing page URL. If I use this device, so what Sophia clicked, so what devices she is using and clicked on my, and I will get to know from this. Okay, and then I will get to know which campaign she clicked on, and if I want to know from which ad group she clicked on my ad, can I get it?
Yes.
Yes, simply add a ad group, na?
Accurate. Yes.
Equals to flow bracket ad group. So if I wants to see from which keyword she been to my website, so can I know that? Keyword
Yes.
simply
So equals to bracket
equals
keyword.
to bracket keyword. So in such a way you can try to track each and everything. So Google have a table now. So by using that table, you can track anything. You can track device, keyword, campaign, ad group, and you can track the minutes as well. So here I
Um.
can use the match type as well. From which match type you been to my website as well. I can come to know. So now, but it is difficult for some advertiser. So trying to create these all things every time you create a campaign, it would be difficult for you, right? So now you'll be creating lot of campaigns, okay, like hundreds and hundreds of campaigns. So every time giving these kinds of tracking template would be kind of difficult for you. Okay, so let me just discuss it afterwards. What is the alternative way we can choose it if you don't want to use this tracking template? Okay, now tell me where I am going to use this tracking template.
In the campaign level, last
Mm,
creating ad group, no, last we can find the advanced settings.
yeah. So I told you that we're gonna add it in a account level. We can add it in
Account
a campaign level and ad group
level.
level. Okay.
Yes.
So if
Three
you want to add
levels.
it in the account level, just go to settings. Okay. Account settings. Can you see now tracking? Okay. So if you select this account setting, now whatever the tracking template you gave it here, it will applicable for all the campaigns that present under this account. Am I right? Okay. Now tracking template. What I have to insert here? Copy
URL.
the complete thing, not URL. This is a tracking template, right? I have to insert this.
Oh,
Okay. So can you see now? Landing page URL, landing page URL question mark device equals to device campaign and then ad group and then keyword. So in such way you can add it, right? This is what simply tracking template. Then
all the things we have to mention.
all, so whatever you want to track, it's not mandatory that you want to put ad group only, campaign only. It's up to you. Whatever you want to track it, you can just put it. Okay. And then final URL suffix. What is this final URL? Final URL means
Destination URL.
final URL. Destination, that means your website URL, right?
Hmm.
Now, this is the final URL. Okay. Now here what it is asking me? Is it asking me the final URL or final URL suffix?
Suffix.
Okay. Suffix means whatever the thing added, appended to my landing page
Landing
URL, I
page.
have to enter, right? So you can enter like this. This is what the landing page final suffix, final URL. That means source equals to Google and keyword equals to keyword, and like whatever you want to add, like ad group equals to ad group, and campaign equals to campaign. So in such a way you have to add the suffix of your final URL. Okay, so I'm just entering this. Got it now? This is
Yes.
what I am going to use it. Tracking template and final URL suffix. Got it? So I don't want to use these all the things. I don't want to use as of now. But no, I don't have a time to use all these. At that time, even though I don't use this tracking template also, I want to track all those things. How am I going to track? Let me just show you now. Okay, let me search with one keyword. Udemy. Okay, let me click this URL and get start. So these are ads, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Udemy/course growth hacking masterclass become a digital marketing ninja question mark GCLID. Can you see now GCLID? Question mark equals to GCLID. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See now my URL how it is standing. Can you see that URL now? Exactly, observe now. So here only you can observe the tracking template. So the get started tiktok.com
Hmm.
URL platform equals to Google. Can you see now?
Hmm.
That means they used a tracking template platform. So here it is showing me that the platform which I'm using is Google. Okay, and channel, that is search house. Okay, so those are the tracking templates they
Here
used.
also
Okay,
it shows us
GCLID.
GCLID.
LID.
Yeah. What
Okay,
is that?
I'll show here why it is showing the GCLID again. Can you see? For this ad also they are showing the
Hmm.
GCLID. Now let me just check for this. So again, can you see now? UTM source equals to Google. Okay, they
Hmm.
used a Google source, and medium search network, and campaign. Can you see the campaign and
Hmm.
Google search? So how the URL is changing? Why? Because they use the tracking template and content online digital marketing course. Okay, and term online, and then let me just see now GCLID also they are using. They were using tracking template and GCLID. So what is this GCLID? Some people were using the both tracking templates and GCLID. Some people are using only GCLID, right? So GCLID means it is the Google Click Identifier. It is an alternative for tracking template. Google.
Good. Click identifier.
Okay. So what does it mean? You no need to track each and everything like device, campaign, ad group and all. So automatically, if you on this Google Click Identifier, so your campaign and ad group, whatever the people got clicked, it will track each and every information. So now you're gonna see how many clicks, and you're gonna see from which, for which keyword you got a clicks, and also how you're gonna see. So when you have enabled this Google Click Identifier only, by default Google will enable this Google Click Identifier. Okay. So in order to enable this Google Click Identifier, you have to enable auto tagging. When you do this Google Click Identifier, you don't need to do this tracking template or not required. Okay,
Okay.
but if you want, you can do both as well. Okay, now let us get back to the settings. Now go to account settings. Okay, so here you have an option called auto tagging. Okay, can you see auto tagging?
Yes.
Just scroll down and click drop down, tag the URL that people click from my ad. So if I disable it, GCLID won't be appended to my landing page URL. So if I enable this only, my ad landing page URL will be appended with the GCLID like this. Okay. So now if you create an ad also, you will be having GCLID. Okay, if you enable that only, and if you enable that only, you can see all the data of the clicks. If not, no. Okay, so if you want to use this tracking template also, you can use it. If you want to use both also, you can use it, no problem. Yes, this is what the tracking template in Google Ads mean, and the use of this tracking template, and you can use this tracking template and GCLED according to your requirement. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.